That was awesome. Hard Rock. This was a really nice, free, fun evening. Wow. We're on our way to the Hard Rock Hotel. I guess it's recently new, and it's here in Fort Lauderdale, but it's inland, and it's humongous. And you can see this big lit up guitar from all over. And we are gonna go inside, and then we're gonna see the outside, and it is gorgeous. Clearly it opens into a mall. I'm sure there's all high-end stuff here. Apparently there's a lake we want to go find. You can walk around this big lake and see the whole guitar in lights.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
So the Hard Rock has this music show every night, and forgive me, I'm going to have to do my best with Epidemic Sound to get the music, because I'm going to get a copyright struck on everything. So I have to add my own music to this. So the Hard Rock is $500 a night, and you have this free show, and you can walk around the mall, and you can come out to this big lake they have, this big lake pool, and you can't use it, but at night it's open and it's free for people to come see the show. So it's a pretty amazing place to come visit and walk around. And then of course you have this. Awesome. Hard Rock. Free parking. Free everything. Ooh, nice Porsche. That's the one I want. My little Fiat has to do for now. This was a really nice, free, fun evening. Wow. I highly recommend. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.